In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to design this beautiful personal finance infographic in PowerPoint. Keys that I am using during the design you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. I am going to give it some different color and go to insert and take this oval shape and drag it by holding shift alt. I think align center and align middle. Shape fill, white fill, shape outline, make it no outline. Control D to duplicate it and place it here in the side for later use. Go to insert and take this rectangle and draw a thin rectangle line like this. Shape outline, make it no outline and make it very thin. Okay, align center and align middle. Control D to duplicate it, align center and align middle, and by holding alt and press right arrow key 4 times. Press right arrow key 4 times. Select all and by holding shift and deselect the side one oval shape. Go to merge shape fragment and select these areas by holding shift, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and last one, this, and delete. Okay, I'm going to give it some different color. I think a little bit dark color. I'm going little bit with dark colors. Yes, this one and this golden color. Oh, sorry. Oh, Control Z to bake and this one color, dark orange color, and I think I'm going to give it some different color, this one and this one. Okay, select this one, align center and align middle and drag it by holding shift alt and make it little bit bigger in size and align center, align middle and send to back. I'm going to make it little bit bigger, align center and align middle. Okay, it's okay for now. Go to insert and take I think so this shape and drag it vertically, rotate it by holding shift and place it here at the center of the cut area of two shapes like this. Okay, Control D to duplicate it by holding alt and click right arrow key 4 times and place it here. Control D to duplicate it and by holding alt press right arrow key 4 times and place it here. Likewise Control D to duplicate it. Okay, let me align it perfectly and holding alt and click right arrow key 4 times. Control D to duplicate it, alt right arrow key 4 times and place it here at the cut of these two shapes. Again Ctrl D to duplicate it by holding Alt and press right arrow key 4 times and place it here. I'm going to go to insert and make an oval shape, another by holding Shift Alt and drag and place it here at the center. Now let me make it align center and align middle. Go to again insert and take another oval shape and drag by holding Alt Shift and place it here over these triangle that which is narrow from one side and open from other side. Place it one by one over it. Okay, Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Control D to duplicate it and place it on the fifth one, and Control D to duplicate it and place it. Oh, let me align this one. Okay, Control D to duplicate it and place over the sixth shape. Now select all these oval shapes, these triangle shapes, one by one by holding Shift, and the center oval shape also. Go to merge and union. Shape fill, white fill, and shape outline. I'm going to give it some golden color. Yes, and the width, increase the width to 2 whole 1/4. Okay, by holding Alt and click the right arrow key 2 times. I'm going to give it some shadow effect, and this shadow effect will be okay. Transparency will be round about 70 and 102 size. 102 size is okay, and blur is 6. Select all. Let me okay, align center and align middle. Go to, I'm going to bring some icons. Go to the icon tab and here at the search bar you can type your text to find your desired icon. You can find your desired icon in here at the icon by typing your icon text. I need some icons that belongs to finance, and go to insert and bring it to the slides by holding Shift Alt and make it little bit smaller in size and place it here at the side. Now I'm going to place it one by one and graphic fill to give it some graphic effects. Okay, I'm going to make it ungroup. Yes, and it will be converted to the shape. Control G to group it. Now I'm going to make the shape fill no fill and give it some shape outline color. Group, ungroup, and yes, now this icon converted to the shape. and I'm going to shape fill, no fill, shape outline, and give the same color as the shape. Ungroup, yes. Shape fill, no fill, and shape outline, give the same color according to its shape, yes, the green one. I'm going to pick these icons one by one, group, ungroup to convert to the shape, yes, and control G to group it, shape fill, no fill, and shape outline, give some different color according to the shape. Yes, this one is okay. And again group, ungroup, and click, yes, control G to group it, shape fill, no fill, and shape outline, give the color according to the shape. Pick this one, and likewise group, ungroup, yes, shape fill, no fill, and give it the color according to the last one shape, this one, okay, and place it here at the center of the old shape. I'm going to bring it at the center, this finance icon, and place it here at the center by holding shift alt, and make it a smaller or bigger according to your requirements. And I'm going to give it some different color, and I'm going to bring some text that I have typed earlier to save the time. You can fix your text within the shape by to make it its fonts smaller or bigger, and change different font. Okay, I'm going and going select to this one and make it bold. Let me select only the personal and make it bold, and place it here at the center. And I'm going to make it a little bit thin point and make it loose, very loose, I think so. It will be okay, yes. The space between these fonts become loose, that's why I'm going to choose this one. And I'm going to place these text one by one by clicking Ctrl D to duplicate it and place it. You can add your text here. I'm going to change the font's color that belongs to the shape. According to the shape, I'm going to give it some different color, and select only the heading, and change its color according to the shape that belongs to. Yes, this is the last one. Okay, I'm going to make it perfect. Now I'm going to also put this text over the design and make it a little bit bigger than Yes, I think so. It's okay. Make it bold and place it, I think so, here at the top. I'm going to bring the whole design little bit down. Oh, sorry, select the center one, go to Control Z to bake, and now I'm going to select all the shape. The wheel shape was unselected. Now I'm selecting it by holding shift and bring it down. Now I'm going to place the heading over the it. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.